class. Good morning. Today we discuss about the chapter first, the life process. The life process means life or process. Life का means जीवन और process means प्रक्रिया. तो जो जीवन की प्रक्रिया है वो कैसे होती है, किस बेस पे हम कह सकते हैं कि लाइफ प्रोसेस करती है. Now the first point is movement. Movement is a sign to any organism is a life. Is the most important word. The complexity of the organisms have divided into two types. Number one, living organism. They are living things. Second, non-living things. Living things. The characteristics of living things. Living things can grow. Living things can move. Living things can develop and a growth. The living things also reproduce to next generation. But non-living things as opposite. They cannot grow. They cannot develop. They cannot survive as well the living things. Is it clear? Now, the life process. Life process means a process of maintaining or functioning the most of lifespan, means birth to death. So most of the vital functioning in our body like reproduction, respiration, excretion or whatever the things to be done in vital activities in called life process. I repeat again. The life process is the process to be a functioning or maintaining by organisms some important vital activities like respiration, reproduction, excretion and all. Next question is, in all these processes, how means energy required for these processes, these activities. So where energy come from? So simple, we have a simple answer. Energy come from food. Means the process by two types. Firstly, in a chemical process or simple way. So food we get energy by the process of nutrition. Nutrition is the process by which get nutrient like carbohydrate, vitamin, fat and etc. So noted that the point is organic nutrient and inorganic nutrient. Organic nutrient and inorganic nutrient. Organic nutrients come from plants and animals. We get food from it. It's called organic nutrient. And inorganic nutrients like water, CO2, O2, sunlight, and some minerals like zinc, cobalt, magnesium, and so on. Now we have discussed about type of nutrition or mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition is a two type. First, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition mainly divided two types and three types. First, autotrophic is a two type. Number one, phototropic and chemotropic. Another heterotropic is mainly divided in three types. Number one, holozoic and centrotropic and parasitic. Now we talk about autotrophic nutritions. The first, phototropic nutrition. Photo means light. Photo means light और ट्रॉपिक मीन्स न्यूट्रिशन, नरिशमेंट. तो फोटो किस सेंस में, लाइट के सेंस में. फोटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन होता है जो सनलाइट के प्रेजेंस में प्लांट करता है. वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट the autotrophs is a example is plant. Okay. The next one is chemotropic. Chemo means chemical, tropic means process. Air nourishment. Chemical process, because plants get food from process of photosynthesis involve these process. Now the heterotrophic nutritions mean the food not get on cell or food not made by on cell is a heterotrophic. In heterotropics, the first part holozoics means holozoic nutritions. The organisms take food directly, means taking directly means direct to mouth. And second, saprotropic nutrition is a nutrition that depend on the dead animals and organisms or water material. And third one is parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition is a nutrition depend on another organisms, totally dependent to another, like Cuscuta, Amargin. Okay. Now we have discussed about the nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plant. Now the first question is arise. Okay, how plant get nutrient and where the photosynthesis it is. Because we already know that the process of photosynthesis plant get food, but how is this process incomplete in plants? So C6H12O6 CO2 plus water, presence of light, chlorophyll gives out C6H12O6 and then we are here stoke balance C6 and H6 also. Now compare C6, H12, O6 and O2 is released by the plant. But how this reaction or this equation is complete? Where get food actually to be made? So, first of all, the part which get is complete reaction in this process. First, sunlight, number one, number two, chlorophyll is most important thing. And glucose, also number 3 and 4 is the molar base. Number 5 water. 6 CO2 carbon dioxide and this is the reaction water plus carbon dioxide gives out light, chlorophyll and gives out glucose and oxygen. Repeat this complete process. C6CO2 plus 6H2O, the presence of light and chlorophyll, C6H12O6 plus O2. In the form of the leaf structure, we show clear the sunlight, chlorophyll, glucose, and the form of the formula H2O, water, CO2, carbon dioxide gas, and then complete this equation. Water presence of light and chlorophyll, it gives out glucose and O2. Okay. Now we discuss about the site of photosynthesis, where photosynthesis is complete. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which the food make food by the plants with the help of sunlight, CO2, chlorophyll and light. These are the raw material we say. Now to discuss the site of photosynthesis, where we know very that well. The chloroplast is the main substance which is contain chlorophyll. To easily show the slide of chloroplast where the process to be done. Okay. Site of photosynthesis. Now the structure of now first is upper epidermis, cuticle, eyes, vascular, bundles, lungs, lower epidermis, here stoma, actually the mainly site of the photosynthesis present these structures with the different parts, epidermis, cuticle, paradise, vascular bundles, lower body. The sunlight comes from this particular part and CO2 with the help of the red cells stomata, we know, clear it. Next, very important, the chlorophyll, water, CO2 are very essential for this process. So we discuss about the raw material. Raw material, number one, chlorophyll. Number two, light. Number three, CO2. Number four, water. Okay. So first of all, we discuss about the chlorophyll. Okay. The chlorophyll is the most important part of this process because it is also called photosynthetic pigment. Photosynthetic pigment. Is it clear? Photosynthetic pigment. So, the basis of color, the chlorophyll is a different type. Mainly three types. It is number one, orange in color. Orange in color is called carotene, then carotones. Second one, green color. Green color is chlorophyll. And third one, yellowish. Is xanthophyll. So we can say the chlorophyll is not only in green color. Mostly the three types, orange, green and yellowish, which is also called carotones, chlorophylls and xanthophylls. Mostly the chlorophylls in higher plants as a structures have different structures on the way of its functioning. Cuboidal shape, spherical shape and other shapes also. And the most ground substance of the chlorophyll is called stroma. The stroma, which is get, the process is complete, is lumen. Lumen part is actually a thalopod structures which is present in it, which is involved to the protein synthesis process in a plant and get complete this process. So the stoma is semi-fluid structure which is present in it and also called the autonomous organelle by the functioning. Now next, light. Number 2, light. We know very well the light is the most important thing also, because which light? The question is which light is it important. So visual light. The visible light to be required, which is 392 760 nm is sufficient for that. The visual light is involved for this particular process. Next one is CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide mainly present in our atmosphere, our surroundings. But most of the aquatic plants CO2 take to dissolve CO2 in water. Okay. Third means the fourth is the water. Water is also essential for this process. Actually, 100% water not need to plant. Only 1% water to require for particular process. Remaining 99% water is excreted by the process of transpiration. Is it clear? 99% water is excreted by the process of transpiration and 1% water is only used for particular process. Now we discuss the process of complete in plants. So I repeat again this point. The photosynthesis is essential for the food making process involving light, CO2, water and some nutrients, inorganic substance like that. Another point is nutrition in animals. Nutrition in animals. We discuss about nutrition in animals. So how animals get nutrient? Because all animals including human beings is heterotrophic, means depend to another. So we get food from another, means like plant and animals. So heterotrophic nutrition is only three types: biologic, parasitic and saprobiotic. But here we discuss about nutrition animals in human beings. So this process nutritions involve most of steps, जिसको digestion कहते हैं. The process of digestion is involving the most of the steps. So in human beings, nutrition in human beings involve mainly 4 or 5 steps. Number 1, digestion. Assimilation, and excretion. Okay, so these points to discuss next another video. Thank you class.